up here in the valley. At the top, you can tell it's windy, super windy. But we come down here in our hole. It's not as bad, but it's still really windy. It's not bad down here, but up there, whew, it's not right. It's definitely cold. Let's go ahead and check our bait here. Whew. We're over here freezing. Wow. And we're fishing in it. Incredible. Let's go ahead and give him a full-size worm. Just for the heck of it. To see if we can catch one more. You know what they say, one more cast, just one more. Well, that's a big fib if you think about it, but in this weather, whew, one more cast is like it's time to go. Alright, we'll get him up there like that, just like that. Yeah, buddy. Just gotta be careful we don't overshoot it. There we go. Whew. It's definitely cold. That weather changed. Whew, big time. Wow. I was prepared, but not that prepared. Hopefully we can catch one more. I'm not picky. All I know is I'm about tapped out. Over here shivering. Good old shiver. Be nice if we get one more. But with that wind ripping like that, I don't know. Just a couple more minutes. Oh yeah, he's there. Uh-huh. Come on, I should have pulled probably. He sat there and hit the thing pretty good. I'm not really even using a big crazy hook either, as you guys seen. It's not very big. like they hit it, then they stop. Could just be chewing on it. Sitting there tasting it, and then they pull a little bit, taste it, pull a little bit like he's doing right now. Pull, taste, pull, taste. Got him. Fish on. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did, guys. Uh-huh. You better believe it. What is it? Survey says that is exactly what we wanted. Little guy. That is a nice little piece of meat right there if you think about it. It's not very big. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Still got our bait. I mean, we could do one more cast. Could. If I find my bait. I just had it. Here it is. Whew, it's so cold I can't even really hold the bait. Is that crazy? Let's go ahead and do one more. Heck with it. Even though I said this was my last one. Yep. This is the last one, for real. I promise you. Whew. Wow. Man. Should be ready to go home now. Whew. I'm out here fishing in this. I'm going to show you what this light can do here. Pretty nice, huh? Fishing right out there. Pretty good. Pretty bright. I say it's approved. Don't you? You think that's approved? I do. Alright. Back on full blast. Whew. Wow. I'm definitely complaining. It's cold. It's crazy how Mother Nature can change just like that. Man. Wow. Definitely crazy. We got 3 catfish and 1 walleye. But we caught walleye earlier today too. And we caught walleye yesterday. And we caught walleye day before yesterday. So, yeah, we're definitely in a walleye spree. I'm glad that we got a couple catfish tonight. It's good. We did well. Good, nice little eating size. Nothing crazy. They say the big ones really don't like taste as good as the pan-sized ones, but I think we did pretty good tonight in this nice, beautiful weather. Beautiful. Key ticket. Look at this. Look at that. Incredible. Another bite. That's on the scrappy worm. Man. Whew. Freezing over here. Oh man. But we're still out here fishing. We're still fishing. But I don't want to get sick, so be an early night. It's pretty late, but come on. Yeah, do that again. There you go. He's getting ready. He's getting ready. Come on. Pull it down. Definitely feeding off of night crawlers, that's for sure. Try to put cut bait out there, they just sit there and laugh at you. Huh. Interesting. We got him. Fish on. Yeah. I think we did good. I think we did good tonight. Approved. What is this little thing? What is that? Oh, lovely. Should we keep him? Yeah, we'll keep him, I guess.